What's going on, everyone? Are you thinking big enough? So we've just come into 2023 and I need to do this video. Are you thinking big enough in the stuff that you are doing with your Amazon business, with your business in general? Are you thinking big enough? Because let me tell you something, I didn't start getting results until I started thinking bigger, until I started incorporating my long-term vision, my bigger vision, until I got rid of them small results, Oh, I want to earn £100 a day, £200 a day. Screw all that. What's your long-term vision? Big vision. And are your goals big enough? Because let me tell you, the bigger goals you have, the more you achieve. The bigger goals you have, the more you achieve and the more you exceed what you ever expected possible. Are you thinking big enough? Because this is what affected me for quite a long time. And actually, this is what I should have done a lot sooner. And I still have these issues sometimes. Obviously, I'm still very premature in the business world, essentially. I've been in business a few years. I've been in e-commerce about over 3 years now. We're just starting to get some serious results. Did over £80,000 in December in sales. Fantastic. Is it anywhere near where I want to be? Absolutely not. We want 100 times that, But we're making big progress. But I didn't start making that big progress until I did these two things. The first thing I started doing was taking more risks. Taking more risks, not only financially, but with the people that I employed. I took more risks. So if you feel like you're trudging it along right now and your results aren't coming as quickly as you wanted them to be, blah, 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 then that probably means you're not taking the risks, right? If you've got a level of experience in this game, in this Amazon selling game, right? If you've got a level of experience in this, and you feel like you're moving slowly, but you've got a level of experience, say 6 months or a year, probably looking for around about a year once you've been doing this about a year. Why? And if you're still doing this all yourself, you haven't outsourced the business, etc., your results aren't that great. Because this is me, by the way. I'm explaining me. I should have taken bigger action. I should have fought bigger and taken more risks a lot sooner than I did. And I could have been 10 times more successful than I am right now. Now, I'm very grateful for what we've got now, but I'm blissfully unhappy with where I am. That's how I do it. I'm blissfully dissatisfied with the results that I've got, because I know deep down that the moment that I realised this business model had something in it, then the moment I realised that I was actually quite good at it, and the moment that I realised how this whole thing works, i.e. how to send an item to Amazon, how to make profit, or how to create your own items, or whatever model within Amazon you're scaling up, could be wholesale, could be online arbitrage, could be private label, whatever you want to do. Once you've got all of the, not qualifications, but once you've got that knowledge behind you to understand the whole game, and you actually have spoken to enough people, i.e. mentors, coaches, or just people that you speak to in the game, Facebook groups, etc. Once you've got that knowledge, if at that stage you don't invest more, i.e. more time, more resources, more finances, right? More resources, if you have them, or you need to go out and find them, then I would question if you're thinking big enough. Because that's the mistake that I made. I made that mistake. I spent about 2 years, about a year and 8 months thinking way too small. I mean, way too small. I was just doing it myself, like for a lot of this, or just had one VA that wasn't really very good. And I was just sort of, just taking the money, trying to take all the profit out of the business, leaving a fair chunk and taking it. I just wasn't scaling it in the way that I could have been. Have I got the knowledge and the experience to even if I didn't have the funding at the time, to get funding from others in a bigger way? Yes, I could. Yes, I did. And I could have done that. Did I have the knowledge to be able to, not the knowledge I've got now, but the knowledge to take this 10x this and take it a lot bigger than what I did at the time? Yes. Could I have invested some of that profit that I didn't invest into hiring more VAs to grow the business? Could I have invested that into more VAs rather than just paying myself more and having a few £100 more in the bank account? Yes. And this is what I'm trying to tell you. If you've got the resources, the finance, the knowledge, the expertise in Amazon, and you're not scaling it, then this is your sign to scale that, if that's what you want to do. Because otherwise you're going to look back in a couple of years like I am right now, although I'm happy with my results and I've sort of got to make up for it now. And even when I do this video, I really... Hey, I just wanted to do a quick message about my sponsor. So Awesome is now sponsoring this YouTube channel. Very, very grateful for that. Awesome is an accounting and bookkeeping service. They take the stress out of my accounting. So they literally take all of my accounting for me. They do it all. It's completely hands off. So I literally have to do nothing apart from check the VAT returns each quarter. Now, look, if you want to check them out, they've got a live chat 24/7, etc. as well. If you want to check them out, I've got 2 months free link below for free accounting, and that is all. Let's carry on with the video. Realise that I'm not expanding in the ways that I should be. I'm not heading in the ways that I should be. I know that I'm doing a hell of a lot more than what I used to, and everyone's on their own journey. But this is my sign to you. If this resonates with you, let me know in the comments below, obviously. But most importantly, let me know. No, don't let me know. That's not what I was going to say. Most importantly, you need to take action and you need to change the way you're doing things because you know that you could be doing more. And if this video is for you, if you know that you could be doing more in your Amazon business to grow it to the next level, then do yourself a favor and grow it to the next level. Because once you've got, I'm not telling you to take loads of risks that you shouldn't be doing and go like deep and buy 50 to 100 of an item that could get priced out. I'm not telling you that. I'm telling you to invest more in the resources, the infrastructure, the products, your business, you, in order to scale it up. And you know how to do that. I'm saying take more risks, not silly risks like I've just mentioned, but take more risks. Go wider, not deeper, take more risks, right? Implement maybe another business model into what you're doing as well. To think a bit bigger. Do you need to hire another VA so that you could spend your time doing something else? A lot of people need to do this, and a lot of people need to see this video. So make sure you share it with them if this helps you at all. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any issues as to why you're not scaling up anymore. Should I be scaling up more? Absolutely. But have I done it in a way right now that I'm quite happy with? The growth that we're getting right now, and I've got big goals for next year? Yes. But is there something I could be doing a lot more to think a lot bigger and grow the business a lot bigger? Absolutely yes, and that's what I'm discovering right now. So I hope that video's helped. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. My name's Hayden. You've been watching FBA TV.